absolutely hated my look from yesterday. I hated everything about it. I don't think this is my best work. I don't love it. I'm gonna try to redeem myself and recreate it. I'm gonna go in with this Nexus hairspray. Then I'm gonna get a smoothing brush. I'm just gonna get it out of the way. I ran out of wig caps, so today I'm gonna try protecting my hair using Cling Seal. I've never done this before. Just to be clear, this is not to replace a wig cap. I'm trying to save my hair from the liquid latex I'm gonna apply. Let's go in with another layer. I feel like I have secured my hair. I also want to keep my eyebrow hair, so I'm gonna glue my eyebrows down. RCMA powder. Setting my brows. Gonna brush off the excess. I pre-made these today, so I'm gonna be applying them to my face, but if you want to see a video on how I made them, you could check it out right here or in the description below. So I'm gonna get some latex. I'm gonna glue these to my face. Liquid latex. I'm just gonna hold it till the latex dries. Something I've always struggled with, even yesterday, it was just blatantly obvious, was my inability to be symmetrical. I didn't show this on camera, but I'm just taking the liquid latex and I'm applying it onto my air clay piece. So I'm just gonna be safe and cover my ears up. I'm gonna go in with some toilet paper and liquid latex. So I will take a piece of tissue, very generous amounts of latex. That will be my transition. Why is it so hard to find regular size shirts anymore? I feel like I can't find shirts anymore that go past my belly button, and it's really annoying. I'm gonna go back in with RCMA powder, and I'm gonna mattify all this shininess from the liquid latex that I have going on. I'm gonna go in with the Maron Liquid Makeups Yellow, Blue, and Mixing Liquid. I'm gonna go in with Maron Liquid Makeup in black, and I'm gonna put it on the inside of my eye. Blend Bunny Blends palette. I'm gonna start creating some dark contours, so I'm gonna go in with the shade Luxe, and I'm gonna start contouring around my eyes. Clean brush, nevermore. Gonna go in with a much smaller brush on the inside corners. I'm also gonna shade in the inside of the eye. Going back in with the Luxe. Oh my god, that was bothering me so much. Alright, so I'm gonna try to contour to make my chin look really pointy. I'm gonna go in with my random black pencil, but I'm gonna really make my lips big. NYX Lingerie XXL in Naughty Noir. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Epic Ink Liner in black, and I just want to sharpen up my Cupid's bow. And also make the corners a little pointy here. I'm gonna make some really big eyelashes for myself with this. I'll curl it around my lipstick. That's a nice curl. Yeah. Wet n Wild Chameleon Chrome eyeliner. I'm just gonna put that down the center of my lip. I like that. That looks good. Okay, so this is the final look. I don't know if I fully redeemed myself from yesterday. Overall, I do think it's better. I don't think I knocked it out of the park, but I don't think it's absolute trash like yesterday. I do have to say, I like this like punk rock alien aesthetic a lot. She's a baddie. She came here for one night to party, and she's ready to go to the club and party. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye bye.